First, we'll open the driver's side door. On the edge of the door, notice there is a circle plastic cover. We'll pull that plastic cover out using a plastic trim remover tool. Notice behind the cover there's that screw. To unscrew that, we will be needing a Torx 25-bit screwdriver. Now notice, in many cases, this screw does not come out completely, but we still have to unscrew it all the way till the very end. Using the same plastic trim remover tool, we will push the lock portion of the door handle outwards, and in the middle of this we will also open the screw from the corner. For some reason, not sure why, but we noticed that the complete screw just came out. In normal cases, it does not happen like this. The screw actually stays there. All you have to do is just unscrew it up until the very end, but in this case the screw just came out. Once the screw is out, now we will just wiggle the lock portion of the door handle, and just like that we got the lock portion taken out. For the handle portion, just grab the handle and then slide it towards the right side to take it out. Just like that, we got the handle taken apart. Suppose you want to install the handle back, we will install the bigger portion first and then slide it towards left side. Just like that. Then we punch in the lock portion, making sure it's completely in. We'll also punch in the key in the lock portion, making sure it's working from inside. And it seems like the lock portion is working perfectly fine. Now we will go ahead and punch in that screw that we took out earlier. Make sure you don't lose the screw while installing, because if you do, it would be extremely difficult for you to get that screw back. We got the screw tight enough. Now we will go ahead and punch in that plastic cover. With that, we are done with the replacement of the door handle. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.